Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2196 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's oxygen sensor and fuel control system. And if left unresolved, it can cause poor fuel economy, rough engine operation, and increased emissions. What does P2196 mean? P2196 stands for O to sensor signal biased, stuck rich, bank 1 sensor 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1 is reporting a rich condition for too long. This sensor monitors oxygen levels in the exhaust gases and helps the ECU adjust the air-fuel mixture. When the sensor becomes stuck on a rich reading, the ECU may incorrectly reduce fuel delivery or make improper fuel adjustments. As a result, engine performance can suffer common symptoms. If your vehicle has P2196, you may notice: check engine light on, poor fuel economy, strong fuel smell, rough idle, engine hesitation, black smoke from the exhaust, reduced engine performance, and increased exhaust emissions. In some cases, the engine may run rough during acceleration or while idling. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. Sensor 1 is the upstream oxygen sensor located before the catalytic converter. It is usually mounted in the exhaust manifold or the front section of the exhaust pipe. The sensor wiring harness runs through the engine bay and connects directly to the ECU. Because of its location, the sensor is constantly exposed to extreme heat and vibration. The most common causes of P2196 include faulty oxygen sensor, leaking fuel injectors, excessive fuel pressure, faulty fuel pressure regulator, dirty or faulty MAF sensor, damaged sensor wiring, restricted air filter, or ECU problems. In rare cases, a faulty oxygen sensor or leaking injector is often responsible for triggering this code. Quick diagnosis: start by checking live oxygen sensor data with an obd2 scanner. Inspect the sensor wiring and connector for damage. Check fuel pressure using a fuel pressure gauge. Inspect fuel injectors for leakage. Examine the air filter and MAF sensor. And compare fuel trim readings to determine if the engine is truly running rich. How to fix P2196: replace the faulty oxygen sensor if needed. Repair damaged wiring, clean or replace the MAF sensor. Replace leaking fuel injectors. Repair fuel pressure problems. Replace a faulty fuel pressure regulator if necessary. Clear the code. And perform a complete road test. Final result: fixing P2196 will restore accurate oxygen sensor readings, improve fuel economy, reduce exhaust emissions, restore smooth engine operation, and help your vehicle perform properly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.